starting to heat up now with the triple jab complex. This will keep you on your toes, all right? Especially mentally, you gotta be engaged with this. So we have single jab, double jab, triple jab. So, now, when you double, triple jab, if you're a fitness person, you'll understand this probably in the way that I understood it. It's a 1.5 punch, meaning if I did an overhead press and I went 1.5 reps, I would come down all the way, come back up only halfway, come all the way back down, then go up. What I'm trying to do is spend twice as much time in the most difficult portion of the exercise. In the case of a 1.5 or a double jab, I jab all the way out, come back about halfway, go right back in. And what this does, it throws off your opponent's timing, it mixes things up. It also, from a standpoint of just pure fitness, you're working pulsing fast twitch fibers there. It's difficult to do. It's even harder as a triple jab. Throughout the course of this round, you're mixing between. You can add movement to it as well. 1, 2, and I can go head, body, head. So you can really just mix it up. Keep your arms in front of your face, add movement. Mixing stances. All right, this was a fun round. A lot of pulsing, fast twitch fiber, hand speed, quickness. And when you're doing movement with it, anytime you move around the bag, you get a better workout, more heart rate.